Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your search icon to search icon and label. So as you can see in my desktop, I have search icon only. And if you click it, you can search everything here. So let's say I want to change it to icon and label. So there will be label here. So how to do it, I will show you how. So you can search settings. And then in the setting page, you can go to your personalization here, click on it. And then if you scroll down, you will find taskbar, you can click on it. And then as you can see, there is option to change your search style here. If you click this drop down, there is option to change to search icon and label. So if you click it, it will automatically change to search icon and search. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.